Hey, are you ready for your virtual test drive with Will's Wheels?
Today I'm going to show you our 2001 BMW 535 M Sport manual that we have for sale. Now in here we have what's called an M62 TU B35 engine. It's a 242 brake horsepower 3.5 litre displacement V8. We also have refurbished angel eyes on this car. It of course comes with the M Sport kit. This particular car has 18-inch staggered wheels, a replica of the E46 M3 wheel. It has the gloss shadowline trim on it, which is quite rare. You also have the shadowline trim on the exterior of the car, and it has the M Sport suspension throughout, which is all in perfect shape. Moving around and looking at the bodywork, the arches are all good. Along here is a problem in E39s, but this car is very good here. We do have one rust bubble that is developed, unfortunately, on the back panel. Very commonplace again for E39s. It is still solid in behind that, but the paint has lifted a little bit there. You can see again the wheels do need re-lacquered. We have the trim is all good shape here. It tends to bubble up a lot as there is one piece on the other side. Wings are good. Everywhere else in the bodywork, sills and that are all good as well. If you want to take a look inside, take a look at the interior, you'll see that it has the factory M-Tech 3 steering wheel, which is of course leather covered. It has all the silver M Sport trim. It has black M Sport leather seats in electric, and it also has sat-nav kit as well. Well, that's the main elements of the car from the outside, and if you like, we can go and take a little test drive now. Alright then, all strapped in. Let's go for a little drive. As you can see, it starts first time, every time. Handbrake's good, clutch is good. Currently we're showing 169,314 miles. Temperature sensor is working, and all the pixels, like we said, are working on here. It is up to temperature, and we'll just slowly take it out onto the road. Sun visor, which is really nicely finished in black cloth, as it is the M Sport headlining. The steering wheel's got very little wear and it's really nice to use. We'll take a little drive here onto the motorway, just so you can see what this car looks like. Obviously, being a 240 brake horsepower V8, it does accelerate well. All 535 manuals came with a 5-speed gearbox, not the 6-speed in 540. But it's very good on the overdrive as well, so it can actually achieve relatively good miles per gallon. All the electric windows work, lights work, fog lights work, horn works. The heating works absolutely fine. You can see the pixels on the sat-nav are in incredibly good shape. Everything on the sat-nav works as it should. Power off the motorway now. As you can see, it really does drive very well. It's very smooth as well. There's no knocks or noises out of it. The exhaust is the standard one. There's no whines out of the differential. Power steering is actually very good as well. Of course, all the M Sport cars also have the dynamic stability control as well, which is working fine. Also, we have the parking sensors here as well. Should you feel the need to down. It really does pick up very well. That M Sport suspension really does keep you planted on the road. As you can feel there, the brakes are good as well, not vibrating. And all in all, it really is a beautiful car to drive. Now there is a few marks around the bodywork in this car, so it is priced accordingly. And there we have it. So thank you very much for taking a test drive with me. I hope you enjoyed your experience of a BMW 535i M Sport manual. Goodbye.